Welcome to a video from thedigital.com. Time for another build video, and this is Windows 10 Redstone 2 14951. Now, I normally show the build videos on my Surface Pro 3 here because a lot of the changes actually only really affect Surface Pro 3 and devices like that, things like inking and some of the trackpad customizations, and I haven't used my Encore 8 to do build videos for a long time. But this time I'm going to have to, because my Surface here, and this isn't just my Surface, this is common to many people, there's lots of threads on here, and this is just showing, I'll show you, so this is just showing your device is up to date, and I know it's not. I've tried rolling back to the previous build, so this is now on the previous build and it still doesn't do it. I've tried changing the fast and the slow ring, signing in and out of the insider program, and we're still getting that. And apparently I'm not the only one, so there's a big thread on this on the forum. So I'm going to concentrate on here, but I'll perhaps show some of the things I'm talking about on there, if that's not too confusing. Okay, so what has actually changed? Well, the first thing, and unfortunately this is one of the things I can't show you, and I'll probably do a follow-up video actually when I can show you, is they expanded the trackpad customization options. So this is the, like I said, this is the previous build, so this isn't even the previous build, this is the one before, because I tried to roll back. But you may have remembered from my last video that these trackpad options here all got expanded with more options, and what they've added in the new build is the option to have a record your own key sequences. So you can have one of these gestures to be you know, Windows T and then Alt D or whatever you want to, so you can have your own keyboard shortcut combinations, which could be very handy. So maybe like when I'm editing videos, I use Control T in the video editing program to do the cut points, split points. I can actually create a custom action for that, like with a 4-finger gesture. So I'm looking forward to trying that when I eventually get on there. The other thing they've done, they've added a protractor option in the in Windows Ink. As you can see, that's what it looks like, and again I can't show you that because it won't work here. I haven't got the pen support enabled on here, although I think you can get Windows Ink on, but without the pen it's not brilliant. So hopefully I can show that in the next video as well. They've also added the option to ink in photos. Now I might be able to take a look at that because I've got the updated Photos app on here. Now, one thing I can show you that's changed is the updated Photos app, which now has pen support. So you can see here, you can draw on it. So we pick a picture of one of my build videos, and you see I've got full pen support on there, so you can highlight things, and I can show that this update isn't working, and I'll come back to that actually in a moment. So you can see I can full pen support with the Photos app, which is quite good. It's nice to annotate pictures that way, and you can share those pictures, I should say, as well, with the pen on there and the ink on there as well. Another change is the camera app. So with the camera app, there's a few things. One, on the Surface you can do the live images, so I can maybe, let's take a picture off there. Not sure that worked, but let's go here. Right, capture living images. So what that means is you take a photo and it captures a few frames before and afterwards in sort of a little video, and it's something that's been on the Lumias for a while, and that's been added to here as well now. So Microsoft also say they've got high contrast capture buttons, and the photo timer option is there. You can get to settings faster, and you can zoom over the camera more easily. And on the PC you can use a spacebar to take pictures as well, which is pretty good. They've also done things like faster shot-to-shot photos and things like that. Let me try a oh, there's a 2-second timer. So I'm going to try a living image. There we go. So let's see what that does. There you go. It's a bit weird how it's clipping in this area as well, the Photos app. I'm not sure it's supposed to do that. If I play again, you can kind of see that living image as I was taking it. I don't know why it's using that resolution. Maybe that's the resolution of the front facing camera, but it should be full screen really. I think that's a bit of a bug in the Photos app. I think it shouldn't do that. But there you go, you can see a living image. You can get the idea. What else has been changed? Things like narrator's been improved. There's now version 16.04 of Ubuntu for the Linux subsystem, and they fixed some blue screen issues with connected standby and other things as well. So I'll include a link to the original notes I've got with the video, which show all the changes. So the main things really are the extra Windows inking features, which I can't show you, the photos and the camera app, which I can show you, and just in case anybody calls me out for trying to fake things, this proves I have got the build on there. They are 14951. Just this one is stuck currently on 14942. So hopefully that Microsoft will get that fixed. Just regarding the phone, I've no phone video to show you because of this. This is stuck on 100%, as are most people by the looks of it. So it looks like this is an issue that Microsoft are aware of. There's no fix for it yet. When there is a fix, I'll get this updated and include this in a video. So thanks for watching this one. You can look back all our previous videos, some more successful than others, on our YouTube channel.